Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, the Eaton Squad. My name is Addie. So in today's video is the new requirements of the Philippines to all travelers coming in. This is the One Health Pass that will start on September 1st of 2021. Details coming right. So yes, the Philippine government is now requiring to all arriving international passengers to the Philippines to register with One Health Pass. This is actually a resolution approved by the IATF, and it will be organized by the Bureau of Quarantine, and it will be strictly implemented to all arriving international passengers to the Philippines. The use of such pass is to provide convenience and seamless movement of international travelers from departure from the country of origin to arrival at the local government unit of destination as recommended by the Technical Working Group. So if you are flying to the Philippines starting September 1st, you will need to register with One Health Pass because this will be part of the requirements or part of the other requirements that the Philippine government is asking when you travel to the Philippines during the time of the pandemic. We are actually one of those who posted tutorials on step-by-step guide on how to fill out or how to register with One Health Pass. I already did a video on that back in August 8th, and I will leave the link in the description box for your reference. So you will be guided on how to register. But it involves two steps for this registration. First, it will ask personal details, travel details, vaccination details if you have any, and the booking details. That's step one, and you will be given a transaction number, which will you be needed on step 2 because that will be done upon check-in at the airport. Yes, you will still be doing registration when you get to the airport during your check-in process. They will be needing the transaction number from that registration with One Health Pass to complete the registration, and you will be given a QR code that will be checked when you arrive in the Philippines. So to keep everybody in the loop, this is the process of the registration as follows. Number 1, to be accomplished at any time on or before departure date. Register through www.onehealthpass.com.ph/e-HDC and completely fill out all required fields. Upon filling out the form, please ensure to save a copy of the unique transaction number, which will be needed at the airport in order to accomplish step 2 to complete the e-HDC registration. So that is what you are getting on registering with One Health Pass. By the end of your registration, when you click submit, it will generate a transaction number that you will be needing upon check-in. Step 2, to be accomplished at the airport prior to boarding the flight to the Philippines. Before boarding the flight, answer the form at www.onehealthpass.com.ph/e-HDC by entering the acquired unique transaction number to retrieve the traveler's record. Upon completing all the information, a unique QR code will be provided, which is necessary to present before boarding and upon arrival. So please take note of that it's really important that you do the step 1 because you won't be able to proceed on step 2 if you don't have that transaction number. Like I said, we already did a step-by-step tutorial guide on how to register with One Health Pass. Pass, and you will see at the very end of the video that it will generate a transaction number that you will be needing for step 2 before your departure from your country of origin. In short, during check-in, this will be one of the process that will be given to you or that you will be doing and able to generate a QR code that you will present before boarding and upon arrival in the Philippines. So this One Health Pass will be strictly implemented starting September 1 of 2021. So make sure that you have registered already if you have flight schedule beginning September 1 and beyond. So that is the latest travel updates to the Philippines. Make sure that you register before you fly to the Philippines. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family whom you know that can use this video as reference. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We do travel updates, and if you are not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified on updates like this. And to our subscribers and new subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support and trust to our channel, the Eaton Squad. I hope to see you guys on our next travel update. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone. Bye.